nanchi tengere liaba kabisa otebi mheshimiwa Nyangenya ngambuya mono as aiwa kolete siasa tari gento kere rais ma siasa tari gento kere rais Nyangenya, you tried, you did your best, we give it all. Ekere job Nyangenya algo jaka siasa nje tu achiete na era baka bo machoge tukare ji kombi ji alenge 40 baka bo machoge ngamnya ko batebi machoge nga nche na arolire omugambe na alega oyore job Nyangenya mo manga na achiete mbaka ka he did what he did and he did it to his full potential. He gave it all. And nande kora tebenga nande nutage tobokonyi ntu we are here. Diaspora, they have never given up. Giving up is not an option to diaspora. We have always supported one of our own. So thank you very much for calling us here today to say thank you for what they did. Munga temeta bantu baminto. Chibesa mwete Nyangenya jialenge besanke. Nechinge jialenge. Nechibesa chinyinge Nyangenya you did your part. Lakini lero na oli ati ko Facebook. Ya tabanga ngwa na ko misuse tina chane tungera. Omugambi nyore bantolo ajito ko misuse, you learn from your mistakes. Abantu bali they are not genuine. Nje I went there ngaka karate 2 1 2 3 ngamenga bantango ngaina bale ngarene diaspora ngari truit ngabakani ngadange ndenge bange. Koso wana bantu amin. Pono 2022 nje ne bangire. Onkwa ituko ndiara antumeke koso jane koso ndebwe njola ta ko ntumeke njirende ons. Ninge ndete ku ebanga. Omugambi and then report. But I begin to remove minto, we are not going to accept it. Don't you accept? That's about to adjust a room. It's about time we have somebody who could represent diaspora interests in Kenya go champion. And we have some people who take us for granted back at home. And you are not going to accept that one. And this time round 2022, we have somebody who's going to stand and tell them on their face. And it's none other than Honorable Dominic Mangere. Nare ngega iga. Mwana kote na nota banga nagambire miaka 10. Akirenda bantu ba mintonta ta batenga baka kitoka panya utawala. Na baka kiingia panya utoroka. Kwa sababu na antamin. E panya nere ka kosa yata mire. Teta metie. Osoro tongi mo bengo te. Si panya metoroka. But I'm here today, guys. I have diaspora at heart. I've never been hopeful like I am today. Diaspora, you have supported us not once, not twice. Starting from Nyangenya, go to Ungangi, women Rapuja, but you have never stand for Honorable Mangere. I'm going to stand this time round. Very serious, very hopeful that I will bring change to our people and represent diaspora as a whole. Abantu baminto. In 2022 no ondegeti ubas. What I need is to fight for you and fight for the people back at home. That's what I'm going for. Make sure nga abantu bamenyete above $1 because right now they are living under $1. My goal is to change their life back at home and also represent your interests here. You are above $100. Nainga they are under $1. My goal is to go fight for those people who don't manage. Guys, got to support this. Yes, Amago Yorunga Nyangenya woman, can I run it to my joy? I can't get to go there. Come ranch, got to support any. Yanganya doesn't go to the 2022 and the Koratenen, we will support you. Nacha Yago support as an individual. In Genono matter of machoga. In Geno me no. In Geno Muano you know. In Geno Moiwo you know. Wherever you would want to call me. For machoga, you can note. In Terra, despite the mon separate group, machoga, bantaminto. In Geno you me no. In Gempanio merete, for machoga. I can far and tiny yegete. Among Origachi, Tega, Candetera, a beast of Jacorajicura Bobas. You go back on it. Baba machoga bamin. In Chakaki, Uncle Tenainu, Yankina Tabama been on it, I don't know, kind of machoga come and get table. I can add a motanga botuko, Jovas and I will come and get table 7. Biamonosana, Kaki and Navasabit, and Jenny Jasamo. Nigerin Jasamo, asemole 2022 na jemon ko be buya kama mga ko bat nyangenya 2017 na injengira ne goja lakini injengira ngoja ko na goja e ngoja ko ba tebinga ki injugo ja parliament gali mutiringe ndebe bantu ke babuse osabona kake buya mona sana. Thank you very much. May God bless you now and the days ahead. And mon saberani se sabari em 2022 buya mona sana. Thank you.